Have you ever woken up with neck or back pain? Did you ever think it might be something to do with your pillow? Hi viewers, and welcome back to our channel. Pillows are supposed to give you a good night's sleep, but there are times when they do the opposite. They can be bad for your health. If this fact surprises you, keep watching today's video, where we'll be telling you the ways in which a pillow could be affecting your health and how you might want to think about ditching it. From causing neck pain, back pain, wrinkles, acne, to memory issues, and even more. Watch until the end to find out all of them. Number 1. Back pain. Bad posture is the main reason why so many people suffer from back pain. One of the main reasons for bad posture is wrong pillow choice. Some people choose pillows that work against the natural curve of their spine, which results in more curvature of the spine. Sleeping without a pillow is a lot better for your back than sleeping with the wrong pillow. Number 2. Stress. Sleeping with the wrong pillow can disturb your sleep since you might be changing positions often. And if you don't get a good night's sleep, you tend to be more irritable and stressed out during the day. But without a pillow, you'll sleep better. With an improvement in the quality of your sleep, your stress levels will naturally decrease. Enjoying this list so far? Well, keep watching because there's a lot more good stuff coming up. But before moving on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Number 3. Bad sleep quality. Believe it or not, ditching that pillow can improve the quality of sleep. While you love your fluffy, soft pillow, getting rid of it can give you the relaxation you've always wanted. Especially people who adore their fat, hard pillow. They may need to part ways with their sleeping pals, as it can affect your posture, neck, and spine in the long run. Office goers already abuse their spinal cords by sitting in those chairs for long hours. Things can only get worse if your bed also has elements that take away from the comfort of your body. Soon, you'll start facing lower and upper back pain. Number 4. Neck pain. Sleeping with a pillow could become the main source of shoulder and neck pain. Although it's still advisable to warm up by stretching and using a heater, the best method to relieve this pain is by sleeping without a pillow. However, removing it can cause problems for people who are already accustomed to using one. For these people, it's recommended to gradually reduce the thickness. Number 5. Headaches. Have you ever experienced waking up with a feeling of lightheadedness or a bad headache? If you can't find the reason why, then your pillow could be the culprit. Try sleeping without a pillow for a night and see if that helps. Sleeping with soft pillows could reduce the blood flow to the head. Then the head won't get the needed oxygen. Morning headaches might be from the disruption of oxygen. Number 6. Wrinkles and acne. Both facial acne and wrinkles could be avoided by not using a pillow. How's this possible? Well, acne is caused by oil and dirt which attach to your face and clog your pores eventually. And this inflammation will cause redness, swelling, and in some cases, infections. The way you sleep matters a lot. If you switch to the sideways position as you sleep, the face would be attached to the pillow. There's no assurance that you change and wash your pillowcase every day, right? It's exposed to all sorts of dirt such as dust, saliva, and sweat, making it a good place for bacteria. And it might lead to facial acne, so removing the pillow is a wise choice. Aside from acne, you can also reduce and prevent wrinkles by removing the pillow. If you usually lie face down, the lines come a lot faster. Wrinkles happen because of repetitive movements, but you can prevent this matter if you remove the pillow and merely sleep on your back, since that would alleviate the pressure on your face. Number 7. Anxiety and depression. How are you feeling when you wake up after a restless sleep? You might feel down and irritable, right? If you lack a sound sleep from uncomfortable sleep positions because of a bad pillow, it'll mess with your mood. If you don't have enough sleep, you might also find it difficult when it comes to memorizing, concentrating, and performing some cognitive tasks, and this would make an individual anxious at best. Number 8. Allergies. It's already known that allergies are caused mostly because of dust. So again, because your sleeping surface gathers lots of debris and dust, it's quickly inhabited by populations of dust mites, and it's really hard to get rid of them unless you wash your pillow every day. You might think that getting a pillow with a hypoallergenic cover can help. You're right, but the truth is not every pillow advertised as hypoallergenic really is that. You should do research to find one, and even those that require proper care to keep performing their protective function after prolonged usage. Number 9. Severe strain. Isn't it weird that no pillow to sleep can actually help you get better rest? This is because not using these supports would allow your body to find the best position to sleep in. If you use a pillow that isn't supportive enough, your body will compensate and engage its neck and back muscles, resulting in a severe pain. That's one of the reasons why you may be waking up with pain. Without a pillow, your body wouldn't have to engage and work your muscles and tendons, allowing you to sleep peacefully and without any worry. Number 10. Unnatural sleep. Did you know that our ancestors slept flat on their sides, backs, and stomachs without any form of head support? Lying down flat is a more natural position because our bodies are not created for any sort of head support during sleep. Thus, pillows are nothing more than an acquired taste. In cultures where people live without pillows, they report deeper shut-eyes and more energy in the morning. Number 11. Memory issues. When awake, the mind is busy in consolidation, so when you sleep, the process is at rest and it enhances the memory when awake. However, if you sleep in an uncomfortable position, you fail to boost your memory. Only if we sleep well will our mind's consolidation process work well, which is linked to our memory power. So this way, you improve your memory power. Number 12. Lower energy levels. I know what you're thinking. How can sleeping without a pillow improve energy levels? Once you give up pillows, you'll no longer experience pain in your back and neck. And because of the quality sleep and the ample rest, you'll wake up the next day rested and energetic. A good night's sleep can have a miraculous effect on your body. Number 13. Teeth problems. Yes, this might sound strange, but it is true. This is because some people grit their teeth while sleeping, which is not good for them. The enamel is abraded and the teeth are more susceptible to caries. Experts recommend sleeping on your back without pillows because only when lying on a flat surface can the jaw relax, which prevents the grinding of teeth. Number 14. Rebuilding cells. When you sleep at night, your cells create more protein as they try to rebuild the cells. Your cells suffer the damage caused by UV rays of the sun and stress. When you don't use a pillow to sleep, your body stays in the natural state, and it helps to rebuild cells around your neck properly. Do you sleep with a pillow or without one? Have you ever faced any health issues because of it? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.